Hello, everybody. Charlie Cummins again. I own Phoenix Masonry Training Center. And today we're going to talk about what we teach you in the Master Mason course. What you're going to learn to do and be able to do when you finish the Master Mason course. We teach you the impossible. We teach you how to lay the brick, block, and stone. I hate the word impossible, but I'm going to explain this as we go. We're going to teach you how to lay brick, block, and stone. Let me explain this further so you'll understand better. Why it's impossible to learn to lay brick, block, and stone on the job. Now, to understand this, you can go to work as a carpenter, a plumber, a painter, a roofer, electrician, sheetrocker, plaster, concrete finisher, and all the rest of the construction trades. And unless you're a total loser, in 6 months or a year, you're going to be a pretty good carpenter, plumber, electrician, painter, roofer, and so forth. Now you can go to work as a bricklayer's helper and be the best bricklayer's helper, hottie, that has ever lived in the last 8 or 10,000 years. And in 5, 10, or 20 years from now, you're still going to be a helper. The reason the bricklayer and the contractor won't let you lay the brick is for 3 reasons. 1, you're in the way, slowing down the bricklayers. Number 2, somebody has to carry and place the material, brick, block, mortar, within 2 feet of the mason. And no bricklayer is going to go get his own material. They go home if the hotties don't show up. Number 3, no 40, 50, 60-year-old bricklayers wants to help a 20 or 30-year-old helper learn to lay brick, block, and stone because they think they're just going to get my job in a few years. Okay, now I'm going to tell you how the masonry trade is in the United States of America, really the world. You got bricklayers that can't lay block, blocklayers can't lay brick, stonemasons can't lay brick or block, and it's been that way here in the United States for 50 years. Take Florida, Arizona, Nevada, California, Alaska. It's full of blocklayers who can't hold a job down laying brick. Then take Texas, the Midwest, the Northeast, and so forth, and it's full of bricklayers who cannot or don't want to lay block good enough to hold a job down. It's a mess. Also, if you're a masonry contractor and you have a crew of 6 masons, if you've got 2 of them that you can trust to build all the corner leads, then you've got a great crew. Having said all this, here's what we will teach you. When you complete our Master Mason course, you're going to be able to lay 150 modular brick. You're going to be able to lay 50 8/8 16-inch block in 1 hour or less. You're going to be able to build all your corners. And finally, you're going to be able to build a 2-foot square brick and block pier or chimney. And you're going to be able to lay 100 brick in 2 hours or less. And you'll be able to lay 24 block in that same size pier in 1.5 hours. That is a 2-foot square brick pier and chimney. All of the above is going to be jointed, brushed off, and rejointed in near perfect workmanship. When you can do that, you can go anywhere in the world and get a job earning top dollar. We welcome all displaced workers. That's people who've lost their job, it went to China, the factory closed down, or this or that, and anything else. No robot will ever be able to take your place. They can't build a building. They can't build a Walmart in China and ship it here. We welcome all re-entries, everybody who wants a better career and wants to earn top dollar. Remember, we start new trainees every day. We have financing for everyone. Remember this. We work with employment staffing companies. This is very important. That can get you working for top dollar anywhere in the USA. And I said top dollar because the more money you make, the more money the employment staffing company makes. Everybody's scratching everybody's back, which is a good deal. And they can get you jobs anywhere in the United States. And it's worth repeating. You know, you can go anywhere in the world and work. And also, just note, they can't build buildings and ship them to this country. Any questions you may have, call, text, or email me right here. I'm Charlie Cummins. And if you can't come to Phoenix for 8 or 10 weeks for training, ask about our home study course that we will soon be offering. That you can take part of the training in the comfort of your own home and then come to Phoenix for 1 or 2 weeks. Also, we're getting close to opening up a few more training centers nationwide that may be closer to you than Phoenix. To close, always remember, only you can choose to have a good or bad day. So be sure and choose a great day and a better tomorrow. Be sure and hit the subscribe button, and I'll send you my book, The Secret of Squaring Up Any Construction Project, for free. People really enjoy the book. I've been selling it for $39. I'm going to give it to you. All you got to do is contact us and we'll send it to you. And we're going to also notify you. If you hit the subscribe button, we'll notify you anytime we come up with a new YouTube video. Thank you and have a great day.